My dear students, last class we studied the first paragraph of the lesson, The Best Christmas Present in the World. In the first paragraph, we have seen the author bought a rolled up desk from a junk shop and started repairing it on a Christmas Eve. Alright? Now, the second paragraph. You see? I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. The veneer had lifted almost everywhere. It looked like water damage to me. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk. The last drawer was stuck fast. I tried all I could to ease it out gently. In the end, I used brute force. I struck it sharply with the side of my fist, and the drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath, a secret drawer. There was something in there. I reached in and took out a small black tin box. Sellotaped to the top of it was a piece of lined notepaper, and written on it in shaky handwriting, Jim's last letter, received January 25, 1915. To be buried with me when the time comes. I knew as I did it that it was wrong of me to open the box, but curiosity got the better of my scruples. It usually does. Inside the box, there was an envelope. The address read Mrs. Jim McPherson, 12 Copper Beaches, Bridport, Dorset. I took out the letter and unfolded it. It was written in pencil and dated at the top December 26th, 1914. See, children, now he started to repair the desk. He removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. The veneer had lifted almost everywhere. Veneer means a thin covering of fine wood. We say mica or plywood. So this mica had separated everywhere. It looked like water damage to me. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this dust. The phrase taken their toll means completely damaged. So the author found that fire and water damaged that dust. So he guessed the desk must have been sold when the house in which Connie lived had caught fire and all the burned things had been sold after. And she was taken to a nursing home. He guessed. Okay, the last drawer was stuck fast. Stuck fast means shut tight. The last drawer was shut tight. I tried all. Oh, I tried all I could to ease it out gently. The other tried everything to loose it out gently. In the end, I used brute force. Brute force here means great force. He applied great force to open it. I struck it sharply with the side of my fist, and the drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath, a secret drawer. Here, the narrator hit it sharply with the side of his fist, and it was opened, and there he saw a secret drawer below. Underneath means below. Understand? There was something in there. He put his hand in and took a small black tin box. Reached in means put hand in. On top of the box he saw a lined notepaper covered with sellotape. Something was written on it in shaky handwriting. Why it is shaky handwriting? Because an old person wrote it. Okay. What was written there, you know? Yes, it was written Jim's last letter received January 25, 1915. To be buried with me when the time comes. That means when she dies, this letter also should be buried with her. Because that was Jim's, her husband's last letter. When the narrator saw this, he was in a dilemma. Why he was in a dilemma? he was in a confused state. There was two thoughts going in his mind. One was the curiosity to open that letter, and another was the etiquette that not look at others' personal things. But the narrator's curiosity won, and he opened that letter. Curiosity got the better of my scruples. Curiosity means eagerness. Got the better of means won over. Scruples means feelings that make you hesitate to do something wrong. Okay? It usually does means it happens frequently. So his curiosity, his eagerness made him open the box. Inside the box there was a letter. Envelope means letter, which was written by Jim McPherson to his wife Connie McPherson. He opened it and started reading. Unfolded means opened. Unfolded means opened. It was written on 26 December 1914. So the narrator started reading the letter sent by Jim McPherson to his wife Connie McPherson. Understand? The first part is over. So we stop here today and discuss the questions given. See the questions. What did the author find in a junk shop? Answer. The author found a very old 19th century roll-top desk in a junk shop. What did he find in a secret drawer? Who do you think had put it in there? The author found a small tin box in the secret drawer. There was a letter in that box. Connie, the wife of Jim McPherson, had put it in there. Okay? You are supposed to write these question answers and new words and its meanings on the back page of your notebook. Alright? Thank you.